So as always on this series, we've got the Mr. Sales and Trails with us.
Hey guys.
If you want to learn how to make money out of nothing, check his channel out.
Well, literally you could start off from as little as £1, really, genuinely. It's more of a, you just got to have the ideas and check out other people, what they're buying, and just resell it on eBay. It's simple.
Yeah. If you want to increase your income every year, he's the guy to check out. Right, so we're almost at the end of the second half of this second marina section.
This is far better, I'd say. More touristy, but far better.
Much more chill vibes, but you do have restaurants all the way around the outside here. Only seen a McDonald's once on our trip.
Yeah, that's in the centre really of Athens, in that stigmata.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ginger cat, yeah. Do you think you'll run away? Ow. Ow.
Lots of food, lots of money.
Ginger.
Got the other one then, over here, staring at you going, what are you doing?
Do you know that phrase, dinner? I say dinner.
Yeah.
So that started from when we was in Morocco, and there was a cat next to me outside the hotel.
Oh yeah.
And I did a little video and I went, dinner.
That's right.
And that's where the entire dinner comes from.
I do remember that now, yeah.
It was coined with you.
Ah.
And now every fucker says it. Stop saying my catchphrases, bitches.
Oh, I definitely
Stop talking like this as well, because that's my job.
I definitely don't do neither of those.
Look at that.
I only bought one of those for our garden.
A real one or a fake one?
Faking it, come on.
An Instagrammable wall at Nick's house.
Oh, live, laugh, love. Live, laugh, love.
Yes. Right, I need a coffee now, right?
Yeah.
Coffee! There's an abandoned car park over there. To the bar.
Yeah.
So it's getting ever more gloomy today. So me and Nick were stiff as planks. We've been in the rain, we've dried off. We've been in the rain, we've dried off twice. And it's a bit fucking cold. So
20,000 steps.
yeah, 20,000 steps today.
And yesterday.
And yesterday. But we're gonna head off anyway. See you on the way back. So here we go. It's a massive abandoned car park there. But anyway, this is a bridge that goes into the Peace and Friendship Stadium right here. Whoop. Yeah, so as you just noticed then, some guy just fell down on the bridge.
You did that earlier, but
I fell over earlier myself, but I wasn't filming, so
what a slam.
some guy just proper arse banged the bridge there.
It is quite a steep sort of section, but as I always say, guys, in my walking videos, wear appropriate shoe wear.
Yeah. And segue from that, we're in the Peace and Friendship Park right here, and the stadium is over there somewhere. Yeah. So we're going to beeline through here, and our metro station is going to be just at the end when we come out. Actually, it looks a bit more groppier than what I thought it would be.
Over there, isn't it? Yeah, the path is a bit.
No, I looked at the reviews.
Peace and worrying more than peace and friendship.
Peace to your ass.
Pain for your
Pain for your ass, yeah. Yeah, that poor fella. He's him all the way down there.
Yeah, he was jumping.
I know, he's so angry. Like he
threw his cigarette and he was shaking his arms off.
I know.
He was fuming. It was a good thud though, I give him that.
Yeah. Imagine if it was me, the bridge would have fucking snapped
I
in
would
half.
have probably have cried real loud. Oh, I shouldn't laugh because Karma will have me back later on probably.
Yeah, Karma's a cunt.
Someone will pickpocket me and I'll be like, oh shit.
So I think this park was built as like did the cat just see me out?
Yes.
Say hello. Piss off.
I haven't got food.
So this park was put together as sort of like recreational space. Oh my god, there's another abandoned building right there.
Yeah.
What? So this is built as a recreational space in regards to the Olympics and stuff like that, but looks like it's kind of...
Left the rock.
I mean, look at the rust everywhere. Maybe it was just a vanity project and they didn't really like treat the steel or anything.
Look at the plastic chairs over there, all smashed up.
Yeah.
Either people go in and kick the living hell out of them, or they just left it.
I can't. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Why don't you fuck off? Fuck off. Dinner. So yeah. Huh? The Peace and Friendship Stadium, yeah, right by there. We'll have a better view for you guys now. So yeah, the park's probably been built for loads of recreational stuff. Do they do Olympic stuff in there, do you think?
I'm not sure. So we're actually in between two stadiums. You've got the Peace and Friendship Stadium, and then you've got the football, the Olympiacos Stadium there.
Oh.
Hence why I'm assuming that's why there's a lot of football facilities around here, and also sports facilities.
Lots
There
of
must be
training.
some sort of like sports village as such.
Lots of training stuff going on, yeah.
Yeah.
Which is wicked. So we either need to go over the bridge or down there. So let's check. Double check. Couple of steps and
Yeah.
and the metro.
It's the yeah. Basically,
Just drop
it's going to be the one for the sports stadium.
Yeah. Wicked. So if you're into sports, you know where to come now. In Athens, if you want to come and see some wicked team sports. Yeah, there's loads of like training facilities around here and stuff. But like I said, it's off season, so it's a bit neglected. But I can imagine there being like people selling t-shirts and all sorts here. So yeah, we have to go up and over the motorway now, drop down the other side, and the metro is going to be right there. Here we are, kids. With the stadium right there, and another abandoned building. Wow. Ooh. This bridge is so bouncy with the metal underneath me. So this is the entrance to the stadium, yeah. This is so slippery, it's ridiculous. I actually might have to hold the handrail as I walk down there. Look where we are, kids. The Olympia Stadium. And there's a train garage right there. I almost went kicking again, and luckily Nick managed to catch me. I was literally walking like a penguin, and I still almost managed to fall over. Like, it's ridiculous.
The paths are so slick.
I would have knocked. Everywhere is slippery in this country. It's unreal. It doesn't matter what shoes you wear. I think it's bullshit. Anyway, that's like a train shed there, isn't it? And then this is the stadium. But we need to go downstairs now to find the metro.
But they're always in the
What's the name of the team?
Olympiacos.
Are they good?
They're fairly good. They're one of the biggest sides in Greek football.
Yeah.
Yeah,
How about European football?
Yeah. They've been in European football.
Are they good at European football?
No.
No. But it's a decent stadium. It looks nice.
Then I support Spurs, so I can't really say much. So.
Yeah, it's a Spurs boy. Spurs boy. Up the toffees.
Don't put any bad vibes in the chat or comments just because of Spurs.
Big up Everton, lad. All you up. Which way, boyo? Airport. Airport. Airport.
I'm not sure. See, I'd like to see a.
It's almost like they turn these off when it rains. Anyway, we'll catch you guys back in the city. No, we're going back to the hotel for a change. Yeah. So I'll finish this video when we get back to the hotel. I might have a few clips on the way, so let's see. Christy Bob. Like a train, folks. Beautiful church. One more train to go, and 2 stops, yeah?
2 stops to Larissa.
2 stops to Larissa, which is our closest station.
I would say that line we went on there from the Olympiacos Stadium was at least double, triple time quicker than when we went.
Yeah, it was. It took freaking ages to get there, right?
Obviously we walked a fair bit, but...
Yeah. I need a nice cold glass of water.
I need a warm shower.
And Nick needs a warm shower.
To change my socks and dry my shoes.
And to wash the bald patch on the top of his head.
Yeah, get a salt off that.
Right, we'll see you at the station. This is quite standard. It's not an amazing subway. It's not like groundbreaking. You've seen subways before on the channel. So I'll see you guys when we get to Larissa station, which is technically Athens station as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just to say it's literally the metro and the urban trains meet at the same point, but they still give them 2 different train station names. Anyway, we'll see you there.
Yeah. So I think the first one was the Athens, and Larissa is the one which we were on now. Yeah.
So yeah, we got overcharged coming from the airport as well, but I'll explain that another time. Go, catch it. Yay. €4 for the win.